Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen. So today's workout is going to be a no repeat, no jumping workout. Get ready, some weights or water bottle and a mat. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to get started with our warm-up followed by a mobility flow. So you just need a mat and you're just going to listen to me and follow along at the same time. Alright, so we'll begin with 6 inhalation and exhalation. So let's inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. 5 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Just keep going. Just deep breaths. And now have your feet apart. I'm going to do a plie inhalation and exhalation. So bend the knees, inhale, straighten up. Inhale, exhale, straighten up. Inhale, lower, exhale, straighten. Good. About 3 more times here. Almost there. And now we're going to do trunk twist, keeping your feet apart. So basically you're just rotating through the entire body, through the hips, right to left. About 5 to 6 on each side. And followed by side to side bend. Now, if your back is feeling a bit tight today or you have past experience of back pain, just do this nice and slow. Good, and from here we're going to do trunk twist again with bigger motion, this time around with the arms wrapped all around you at the end. You can lift the feet off for a deeper twisting. Alright, next we're going to do a standing roll down. You're going to bend those knees and straighten those knees and restack your spine, rolling all the way up. Nice. We're going to do about 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, roll down. Bend those knees. Straighten those knees. Tuck in the chin as you roll yourself all the way up. Alright, now we're just going to do hip circles, 6 on each side. Just imagine you're doing a hula hoop if you're good at that. Good, and next we're going to do knee circles, 8, so about 4 on each side. And followed by ankle circles, about 3 per leg. Now after which we'll just go side to side taps 10 times as we're going to prepare ourselves to do some balance work with our arms out at T position. Alright, so basically you're going to stand tall and you're going to inhale, lift the left knee up, straighten the toes, straighten the knees and lower. If you see me on the sideways, you might be able to see how I am keeping my spine nice and straight. And just think tall. You can also try doing some coordination work with your arms overhead as you extend those knees and lower. 1 on the right side and straighten. Alright, now you come to the end of the mat. We're going to do a mat mobility. We're going to roll down all the way into a plank position. So hands at the top of the mat. And from here, you're going to bring your right knee in all the way up to the sky. Knees into chest. Exhale, straighten your legs all the way up to the sky. We're going to do this for a total of 3 more times. And just try to look all the way back as well. When you're done, you're going to place your right leg out. Hold, open up the hips. And twist your right arm towards the sky, opening the chest. Lower the left leg. Hold on to your left ankle. Straighten and go back into inverted V and repeat on the left side. Left knee into chest, extend the leg all the way up to the sky. Knees to chest, exhale and extend. In, exhale to extend, and again 3 more times. And last one, and now you're going to place the left leg outside the mat, open up the hips, and prepare to twist the left arm towards the sky, drop the right leg, hold on to your right ankle for a deep hip flexor stretch. Good, and that's about it for your mat mobility. We're going to get started with our actual workout. So you will need a pair of weights or just one big weight like what I'm doing here. If you don't have that, you can just simply use a 1 liter water bottle. So the first exercise that we're going to do is simply a dumbbell hold squat to an overhead press all the way up like this. The grips will be up to you. We're going to do a total of 10 repetitions. That will be 1 squat as you push up, exhale, overhead press, 2, and keep going.
I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now.
Alright, the next exercise is called a reverse lunge to bent over roll, 5 on each side. Hinge from your hips as you roll the weight to your belly button. That's 1 on each side. So now right step, left step back, hinge, roll. So really squeezing your shoulder blades as you are doing your bent over roll. Okay, for the third exercise is called a wide leg squat to a snatch overhead press. There will be 2 alternatives here. So you squat low and you kind of snatch it up towards the chest and press all the way high up. We'll do this for 10 repetitions. Now if you're unable to do overhead press, you can just sort of snatch the weight towards your chest. Or you can just completely do it without the weights, just to get the movement in. Okay, now the last exercise for this round would be a forward lunge with plate pressed and twist. So you can drop the weights like what I'm doing here. We're going to do 6 on each side. So basically the weight will be at chest level. And you're going to do a forward lunge, press the weight forward and twist onto the same side. You're going to return. Now on the left side, press and twist and step back. Lunge forward, press and twist and back.
You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of bounds. Say that I should give you up, cause I'm better, but baby you're not. Giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up. I don't know if I'm giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up. I don't know if I'm giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up, no, oh yeah, giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster.
Excellent work so far, my friends. Now it's just a short break, about 50 seconds, before we work on our second round and also our last round for the no repeat workout. for the fifth exercise, our next round would be a dumbbell squat to curl 10 times. So when you're ready, we're going to get started real soon. And squat, up and curl like a bicep curl. Squat, up and curl. In terms of breath, just do what is natural for you. Typically as you squat, you inhale, you curl, you exhale.
I won't try to stop her. She can be crazy. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
Okay, the next exercise is called a Roman Deadlift. We'll do this for 8 repetitions. So in Roman Deadlift, your hips will be hinged higher up than your knees. So your knees are actually not very much bent. Your knees are just slightly bent. And notice how I'm keeping my neck and my spine all in one straight line. Alright, now for the second last exercise is called a reverse lunge to same side twist, 5 repetitions on each side. So on the left side, you're going to reverse lunge and you're going to sort of twist the weight to the same side. Okay, if you can't twist all the way to the back, that's fine. You're just gradually trying to open up and work on those obliques as well. Alright, so now for the last exercise, you will have to lie on the floor. You can lower the weights if you want to. This will be called a one-arm floor dumbbell press, 10 repetitions on each side. So some key points to take note here in this dumbbell press is that always keep your shoulders in line with the other shoulders, so don't hitch up your shoulders. And as you lower the weight, notice how the elbows do not go above your shoulder line. So try to keep it around the armpit area. You can have the other hand extended out for balance work. Great job. So now we're going to go into a quick ab work, non-stop, no rest, or do as much as you can. Lower the weights. You're going to inhale, exhale, you're going to curl the body up. We're going to do reverse crunch for 10 repetitions for the first round. So extend the leg, bring the knees in. Extend, bring the knees in, while keeping your upper body off and the weights above your stomach or your chest line, depending on how strong your abs are. Following the reverse crunch, do a legs apart scissors in and out. Open the legs and close. Open and close. While you're doing this, again, I want you to emphasize on your abs, so keep the upper body off the mat as much as you can. You're going to do about 5 to 7 repetitions for this, and immediately we'll go into scissors up and down, 10 repetitions, while still keeping your upper body off the mat. If you can, keep those knees as straight as possible as well. And for the last ab work, you can just do Russian twist, 10 on each side. Alright, I'm super proud of you. We're done with our no repeat main workout. Now we're just going to some cool down and stretches. We're going to do our hamstring stretch. Basically, you're just going to grab your ankles or your calves and straighten those knees. Alright, so next we're going to do a piriformis stretch. So you're going to have your feet over the opposite knee. Pull that knee towards you and push the other knee away from you so that you get a deep piriformis or your glute stretch. And you're going to slide that knee over the other knee and pull those ankles inwards for a butterfly stretch. And you're just going to repeat on the other side. Remember to pull and push, so you're creating an opposite tension for a deeper piriformis stretch. And knees across, grab hold of the ankle, pull towards your body for a butterfly stretch. To end off this entire workout, I like us to do a 4-7-8 breathing meditation. Remember, in this exercise, we will be inhaling for 4 counts, hold 7, and exhale for 8 counts. I'm going to sit nice and tall, and you can watch my hands for the counts in this exercise as well. When you're ready, we're going to inhale 4 counts. Hold 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 4. Hold 7. Exhale 8. So I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Please leave your comments and let me know how it goes for you. And subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Alright, stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane. Practice safe hygiene as well. And drink lots of water. I love you guys and see you around in the next video. Bye! I see adrenaline